What do you mean, doesn't exist?
What did you do? I did what I had to do.
What was it? What exactly did you have to do? Tell me!
I built the town. The staff put it all together. The zombies dressed up as the townspeople. Please, if you really went out there and something happened to you, I just couldn't live with myself.
But you can live with this? Lying to me? Tricking me? Keeping me here forever when you knew my dream was to go?
Oil? English, please. Your voice is really annoying.
Wait, I speak Frozen. He says Dracula has brought a human into the hotel.
A human? Stay close, Pookie.
He says there is the human. He has a French accent.
Johnny's not a human. He's my right arm's cousin. He's lying.
Yeah, and why is he picking his nose?
He says it's a long story.
Hey, wait, no!
Get off of me!
He says, behold the human.
I'm so sorry.
I don't care. I still want to be with you.
Well, tough. Because I don't want to be with you. Because you're a monster. And I hate monsters. Goodbye.
Please don't hurt me!
This is all your fault!